KUKA launches iiQKA OS2, including virtual controller and AI readiness. Introducing iiQKA OS2, KUKA's latest operating system, and it's bringing some serious upgrades to the worlds of automation. It's scalable, customizable, and includes a full virtual robot controller, meaning you can simulate, test, and tweak without even powering up a real robot. Handy, right? The new system is built with a web-based interface and supports your own devices or the KUKA smartPAD, making setup and operation more intuitive than ever. It's also cyber resilient, so it's ready for the connected factories of tomorrow. Under the hood, iiQKA OS2 blends KUKA's trusted software core with modern tech and modular safety to meet the latest standards, including the up-and-coming OSO 10218 2025. With tools like iiQWorks, you can simulate multiple robots, plan workflows, and avoid costly errors by testing everything virtually first. Plus, it supports all robot types, from nimble scarers to heavy-duty 6-axis units. And yes, if you want to ditch the Teach pendant, you can just plug a tablet into the KUKA Smart Plug and start programming. Smart, streamlined, and seriously capable, iiQKA OS2 is KUKA's leap into the future of industrial robotics. And that's your robot news update for today. If you're curious how robotics can transform your business, join me on my weekly live Robot Optimized workshop. It's packed with insights, trends, and practical tips. Don't forget to subscribe to stay in the loop with all the latest updates. I'm RoboPhil from Robot Philosophy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.